We found a sick owl in front of our house. The neighbor down the block, Danielle, knocked on our door and she says, he is sick and he can't fly very good. And he allowed us to basically pick him up and put him in the house. So we called up the Raptor Center and they said he might have a flu right now, the bird flu. So we don't know. But we're going to take him to the shelter tomorrow.
They're going to come, I think they'll come get him.
Okay.
We'll see what they do. I don't know.
But look at, he's a beautiful bird. He's a great horned owl and they're gorgeous.